Sainam students, welcome back to your English grammar online class. Today we are going to study a new chapter in English grammar. Okay, so let's begin with a new chapter in English grammar. So our new chapter of English grammar is chapter number 5, articles, part first. So this is the first part of your chapter number 5, articles. Okay, we are going to study articles today. Hope you had read about this chapter in your previous class, that is in class first. Now we are going to read about articles, something more. Okay, so let's start with the chapter number 5, articles. So first is here the definition of articles. An article is a word used to modify a noun. It is used before a noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. What does it mean? It means that we use articles to modify a noun. That means to modify a name of a person, place, thing, or animal. We always use articles before the noun to modify it. Okay, to make it modified. It is used before a noun to show whether it refers to something specific or not. That means if we want to show something specifically, so we have to use articles, or if it is not specific, then again we use articles. For both the specific and not specific things, we use articles, but we use different articles for both the things. If the thing is specifically described, we use the different articles for that, and if the thing is not specifically described, then we used different articles for this. Basically, as you know in your previous chapter, what are articles? There are 3 words which are used as articles. See, which are these words? A, and the. What are the words? A, and the. These are the 3 words which are used as articles. And we know a, and the all have the different uses, but they all use before noun to modify it. And also some of the articles, that means a and or the, some are used for the specific description and some are used for the non-specific descriptions. Okay, so now we are going to study about these 3 words which are articles, that means a, and the. So let us begin. See, a tree. We use a before tree. Tree is a noun. We use a to modify the noun. Now see the next. An owl. An owl. We use an before owl to define it specifically. Next is the sun. The sun. We use the before sun to define it specifically. Okay. So these are the 3 examples of a, an, or the. These are the 3 examples of a, an, or the. Like, see again, a tree. Here we describe the tree before using the article a. Now next is owl. We defined owl by using the word n, that means the article n before owl. Next is the sun. We use the before sun because it is specifically defined. That is why we use the before the sun to define it specifically. Okay, so we use the for the specific purpose, specific description. Now read about a, and the in separately. Separately we will read about a, and the. Okay, let's begin. N. first I am going to show you some examples. See here, an elephant. In the first picture, what it is here written, an elephant. What is in the picture? Elephant. So an elephant. We use an before elephant. I'm going to circle the first word of elephant. Next is an umbrella. Here is one umbrella. So we use an before the word umbrella. Why? I'm going to tell you. I'm here circling the first word of umbrella, that is U. Next is an ice cream. Here again it is a picture of ice cream. So here written an ice cream. So I'm again going to circle the first word of ice cream, which is I. Why I have circled these words? Hope you have read this in your previous class, in the class first. These are the magical words. These are the magical words. Why these are the magical words? Because only there are some words before we use an always. Okay, so are these only 3 magical words? EUI. Does EUI only have the magical words? Only these are the magical words? No, 2 more magical words are here. An owl. So here O is also a magical word. An aeroplane. Here A is also a magical word. So what are the magical words? A, E, I, O, U. Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. There are how many magical words? 5 magical words. 5 magical words are A, E, I, O, U. And what these magical words called? Vowels. These are called vowels. What these are called? Vowels. What we are called the magical words? Vowels. So we use an before always a vowel. If any word starts with the vowel, like see in the pictures again, if there is an elephant, so here elephant starts with the word E, and E is a vowel. So we use an before a vowel. We use an before a vowel. So E is a vowel. Next is umbrella. An umbrella. Here again U. A, E, I, O, U. Here again U is a vowel. So we use N before U. So here is also U is a vowel. Next is an ice cream. Does I is a magical word or a vowel like A, E, I? Yes, I comes in the vowels. So I is also a vowel. So we use N before I. So here we use an ice cream. An ice cream. Now see the next. Next is an owl. An owl. Here is the word O. Here is the word O. So does O is a vowel? A, E, I, O. Yes, O is a vowel. So we use N before owl because owl starts with the word O, and O is a vowel. Next is an aeroplane. An aeroplane. So here the word starts with the A. So does A, E, I, O, U in this? A comes in vowels. A comes. Yes, A comes in the vowel. So we use N before aeroplane. So this is the basic introduction of N. Now see, here circle letters are magical letters which are called as vowels. All the circle letters are magical letters. And what we call magical letters? Vowels. We call magical letters as vowels. Now the next is C. There are some conditions before which we use N. N is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specified. We always use N before singular, only singular countable nouns which are not specified, Second is, we don't use N before uncountable and plural nouns. Until the noun is countable, we never use N. Or if it is plural, we also don't use N before that. So for this, for using N, the noun should be singular and specified and countable, which are not specified but countable. We use N before singular countable nouns which are not specified. Okay, and the third condition of using N is, if a noun starts with the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, we use N comes before the noun. If any noun starts with any of the vowel sound A, E, I, O, U, as I told you, we also use N before that nouns. So this is the use of N. Let's see some examples. These are the examples in which N are used, but vowels, they doesn't have vowels as a first letter, but they, in the pronunciation, we use the sound of vowels like N, R. We use R as vowel, but the word starts with the letter H, but H is not a vowel. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U, but we use N before R because when I pronunciate R, the sound of A is producing. I produce the sound of A. So we use N before R. N, R. N, R. So here are some words which starts with the consonant, but we use N because when we pronunciate these words, they produce the sound of vowels. They produce the sound of A, E, I, O, U, that are vowels or magical letters. I am going to show you the next example. See, an honest man. An honest man. Here we again use N. Here we use the word N, article N before honest. But honest is start with the word H. Honest starts with the word H. But we used N before that. But it is not a vowel. Why? Because honest produces sound of O. It produced the sound of O. So in pronouncing the honest, we hear the sound of O, and O is a vowel. So that is why we use N. So whenever you have to write an article, you always have to pronounce the word properly. Like in R, an honest man. Okay? Now see the next. When the consonant H is silent, we always use N before that. Now I am going to show you some sentences, some examples which are sentences. See, this is an apple. This is an apple. Okay. Next is, she gave me an orange. She gave me an orange. We use N before orange because orange starts with the word O. She gave me an orange. She gave me an orange. And in the first sentence, we use N before apple because apple starts with the word A. So this is an apple. Next is, I ate an egg for breakfast. I ate an egg for breakfast. Here we use N because egg starts, next word which is the noun, it starts with E. So here we use N, and it is also a singular countable noun. That is why we use N here. So these are some sentences, example of article N. Now we see the use of A. A is used before consonants. A is used always before a consonant. We always use before a consonant. What are consonants? All the alphabetical words in which no vowels come, except vowels. All the words in English alphabets are consonants, like B, C, D, F, G, H, and so on. These all words in which no vowels comes, these all are called consonants. So we always use A before the consonants. See, example, A, B. A, B. Here, A is used before the word B, because before the noun B, because B starts with the letter B. So here we use A before that because B is a consonant. Now see the next, a cake. A cake. Here cake is start with the letter C. So here we use A before cake because C is a consonant. C is a consonant. That is why we use A before the noun cake. Next is the fish. A fish. We use A before fish because here again F is a consonant. F is a consonant. So here see, A is used before singular countable nouns. A is used before singular countable nouns which are not specified. A is used before singular countable nouns which are not specified. Now I am again going to show you some more example. A doctor. A doctor. Again we use A before doctor because doctor starts with the word D, and D is a consonant. That is why we use A before doctor. That is why we use A before doctor. Why we use A before doctor? Because doctor starts with the word D, and D is a consonant. Now see the next. A car. A car. Here again we use A before car, the noun car, because car starts with the word C, and C is a consonant. C is a consonant. So we use A before car. So in this video we had read about A and N, which are these both are articles. So A and N both are the articles we had read in this video about the A and N. We always use N before the vowels, and sometimes we use N before the H words in which the H sound is silent, and we use A before all the consonants because A is always used before the consonant. That is why we use A before the consonant words like a car, a doctor, and a man. Or in this similar way we can use A in different consonant words. That means the words which starts with the letter consonant. And whenever the words starts with the magical words, or we can say vowels like A, E, I, O, U, we use N in these words. We see the use of the in our next video. I'll teach the use of the in your next video. Thank you so much. Stay well at your home. Stay safe and study well. And study this concept very clearly because it is useful for you in your further classes also. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.